Hey everyone, this will just be a quick unboxing here of a Moto Edge 2023 version. So this is from last year. 256 gigabyte storage, I believe, is the only option they had for this. This was, again, this is in excellent condition. This was down to 250, like $2 at my local Best Buy. Brand new, they're only like 300 bucks, so it isn't much of a savings, but it's still a savings. The 2024 versions are down to 350 brand new, which for 100 bucks more, if it's worth it or not. But anyway, 2023 open box from Best Buy. I believe these are recycled material, which is pretty cool. I believe these are recycled material boxes. Let's get into, yeah, recyclable. There you go. Plastic free, recyclable soy ink. And again, like any other phone these days, or most phones these days, nothing too exciting in here. SIM card ejector tool, paperwork, unused USB Type-C for this one, so that's cool. I know I usually don't take them out of the box either myself because I have so many of them lying around. Take a look at the phone itself. So this does have that vegan leather to it, which is awesome. I really do like Motorola's vegan leather. It just feels really nice. I mean, it feels so good. And then of course you put a case on it and it kind of ruins it. But let's go ahead and take a look around here. So it's like, nope, there's just a little something on there. I don't know what it was. You have a mic up here, but it's really, this looks almost like a brand new phone, which is excellent, of course. Volume rocker, power button, speaker, mic, USB Type-C, and SIM card will go in there. Let's see. So besides from my own fingerprints and some dust, this actually looks like a brand new phone. I mean, this looks like you just took it right out of the box, which, I mean, somebody may have bought this, used it for like a day or two, and then returned it. It is always possible. But yeah, so like I said, just a quick unboxing here. 2023 Moto Edge. Very, very thin phone, which is very nice. I really like the thin phones. This one is quite thin. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.